Scene script. Have you ever wondered what lies ahead for our civilization? What is our ultimate destiny in the vast cosmos? As we stand on this tiny blue dot, hurling through the infinite expanse of space, we are compelled to ponder the future of our civilization. What will become of us? Will we survive the test of time, or will we fade into oblivion like countless civilizations before us? These are not mere musings of a curious mind, they are existential questions that could determine our fate in the universe. In our quest for answers, we look to the stars, to the boundless cosmos, for it is there that our future lies. We find ourselves at a crossroads, a pivotal moment in our history. We have the potential to ascend to new heights, harnessing the power of the stars, transcending our biological limits, becoming masters of our destiny. Or we could descend into chaos, brought about by our own actions or by cosmic events beyond our control. However, the path we take is not predetermined. It's a product of our choices, our ambitions, our hopes, and our fears. We have the power to shape our destiny, to decide the course of our civilization, but to make informed decisions we need a roadmap, a guide to the possible futures that lie ahead. One such roadmap is the Kardashev Scale, a theoretical framework that categorizes civilizations based on their energy consumption. Developed by the Russian astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev in the 1960s, this scale provides a glimpse into the potential future of civilizations, including our own. It helps us understand where we are, where we could go, and importantly, where we don't want to end up. The Kardashev Scale is not just a tool for speculation, it's a beacon of hope, a reminder that the future is not set in stone, that we can strive for a better tomorrow. It inspires us to dream, to reach for the stars, to seek out new frontiers. To explore these questions, we will delve into a concept known as the Kardashev Scale. Imagine a tool, a scale, that allows us to categorize civilizations based on their energy consumption. This is the Kardashev Scale. The Kardashev Scale is a method of measuring a civilization's level of technological advancement based on the amount of energy it is able to harness. Named after Soviet astronomer Nikolai Kardashev, who conceived the idea in 1964, the scale presents a futuristic vision of our society's potential, where energy consumption equals progress. The basic premise of the Kardashev Scale is fairly straightforward. It theorizes that the more advanced a civilization is, the more energy it can harness and utilize. This is not just about powering homes, cars, or cities. We're talking about energy on a cosmic scale. It's about controlling planets, stars, galaxies, and even the universe itself. Kardashev envisioned three types of civilizations, classified by their energy consumption. A Type 1 civilization, also known as a planetary civilization, can use and store all the energy available on its planet. Then comes the Type 2 civilization, or stellar civilization, which harnesses the power of its entire star. And finally, a Type 3 civilization, also known as a galactic civilization, that can control energy on the scale of its entire galaxy. It's a cosmic ladder of energy consumption that indicates not only a civilization's technological advancement but also its evolutionary status. It's a scale that measures potential, possibilities, and progress. And while it's a scale that currently sees humanity fall short, it serves as a roadmap, a beacon, guiding us towards a future where we ascend to the stars. The Kardashev Scale is not just a tool for measuring energy consumption, it's a vision of our future, a guide to what we could become. It's a reminder that our potential is only limited by our imagination, and our will to turn that imagination into reality. Now that we have an understanding of what the Kardashev Scale is, let's explore the different types of civilizations it outlines. A Type 1 civilization on the Kardashev Scale is one that can harness all the energy available on its home planet. Imagine a world where every gust of wind, every ray of sunshine, every drop of water is a potential powerhouse. It's a civilization that has mastered the elements, taming them to serve their energy needs. This civilization would no longer rely on fossil fuels, instead, turning to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. Think of cities powered by the very rotation of the Earth, or highways illuminated by the light of the moon. The technological advancements of a Type 1 civilization would be breathtaking. They could control the weather, prevent natural disasters, and maybe even manipulate the very fabric of time. The societal implications would be equally staggering. With unlimited energy, poverty and inequality could become things of the past. We humans are not yet a Type 1 civilization, but we are not too far off. Moving up the Kardashev Scale, we encounter Type 2 and Type 3 civilizations, entities of a truly cosmic scale. Imagine having the power to harness the energy of an entire star. That's what a Type 2 civilization can do. They've moved beyond their home planet, colonizing other worlds within their star system. Their technology is so advanced that they can construct something called a Dyson sphere, a megastructure that entirely encompasses their star, capturing all of its energy output. This is not just about power, it's about survival. As their civilization grows and develops, so too does their energy consumption. By harnessing the power of their star, they ensure their civilization's sustainability. But let's take it a step further. What if a civilization could harness the energy of an entire galaxy? Enter the Type 3 civilization. This is a civilization that has transcended their star system, spreading out to colonize worlds across their galaxy. They've mastered interstellar travel, possibly even developed faster-than-light technology. Their energy source? The billions of stars within their galaxy. Imagine the technological advancements needed to achieve this. We're talking about a civilization that has potentially discovered how to manipulate space-time, control gravity, or even tap into the energy of black holes. But it's not just about energy and technology. A civilization of this magnitude would have profound societal implications. We're talking about a society that has outgrown wars over resources, that has solved problems of scarcity, and that has likely achieved a level of social and cultural unity we can barely comprehend. Of course, all of this is purely speculative. We have no evidence of Type 2 or Type 3 civilizations existing in our universe. But the Kardashev Scale is not about what is, but what could be. It's a thought experiment, a way for us to imagine the potential future of civilizations, including our own. These might seem like science fiction, but who knows what the future holds? The Kardashev Scale doesn't stop at Type 3. There are theories about even more advanced civilizations. Let's venture into these speculative realms where imagination and science mingle. Imagine a Type 4 civilization. Here, we're talking about an entity that has transcended its home galaxy, harnessing energy at the scale of a universe. They might manipulate dark energy, the mysterious force accelerating the expansion of our cosmos. Beyond that, we encounter the nebulous concept of a Type 5 civilization. Theories about such entities are beyond our comprehension. They could potentially tap into the energy of multiple universes or even harness the power of a multiverse. Such civilizations might control or alter the laws of physics themselves. These are realms of speculation, but they provide food for thought about the potential of civilizations. It's a fascinating journey from the achievable to the almost fantastical, as we ponder our place in the cosmos and the future that might await us. The Kardashev Scale does more than just categorize civilizations. It gives us a roadmap to the future. The implications of the Kardashev Scale are profound, providing a lens through which we can view our own civilization's trajectory. As we stand on the precipice of becoming a Type 1 civilization, harnessing the full energy of our planet, we face a myriad of challenges. Firstly, we must overcome our energy limitations. To ascend to a Type 1 civilization, we need to harness and control resources on a planetary scale. We must transition from finite, polluting energy sources to renewable and perhaps even new forms of energy, such as fusion. This shift presents not just technological hurdles but also socio-economic and political challenges. Secondly, the scale raises questions about our survival. As we advance, we must navigate the existential risks that come with increased power and technology, from artificial intelligence to bioengineered pandemics and beyond. We must develop safeguards and ethical frameworks to manage these risks, ensuring our survival and the sustainability of our civilization. However, the Kardashev Scale isn't all doom and gloom. It also presents an inspiring vision of our potential future. It hints at a world where we've transcended our current limitations, where we're masters of our planet and then the solar system and eventually the galaxy. Imagine a civilization where energy scarcity is a thing of the past, where we've harnessed the power of stars or even entire galaxies. Picture a society that has overcome the confines of mortality, where interstellar travel is commonplace, and where we've unraveled the deepest secrets of the universe. These visions may seem far-fetched, but they're the potential futures that the Kardashev Scale lays out for us. It's a reminder that we're not at the end of our journey, but just at the beginning. It's a call to action, a call to strive, to innovate, and to reach for the stars. As we ponder our place in the cosmos, the Kardashev Scale gives us a glimpse of what we could become, a vision of the future that is both daunting